Galois with NDVI capstone, here for the ground image calculation and display. Our project is a web-based application for the processing and display of vegetation imagery. It's a proof of concept for model-based systems engineering, MBSE. What is model-based systems engineering? Model-based systems engineering is a process where only a component's inputs and outputs are predefined, guiding the end product. The model-based engineering utilizes analyzable models to catch bugs before they hit the end product, resulting in less bugs when attempting integration. Our model from Galois is outlined in the box on the right. Now you might be asking, what is an image index? To put it simply, image indexing is a simple graphical indicator of vegetation health. NDVI, or Normalized Difference Vegetation Index, is the most widely used metric for quantifying the health and density of vegetation. It uses the different reflections from vegetation on the red and NIR bands to display the difference between dead, stressed, and lively vegetation. SAVI, or Soil Adjusted Vegetation Index, is a corrective algorithm to negate the influence of soil brightness when vegetation cover may be low. This allows for more vibrant colors among the vegetation, bringing out smaller details when looking at the same image. And BAI, or Burn Adjusted Index, is one of the most interesting indexes available on our application. This index allows for the display of burn scars caused by wildfires. The image shows the use of Burn Adjusted Index to display areas of heavy damage in San Diego. So how does our application work? Our architecture is split into 3 parts. Our front end uses a React framework and uploads images to our Fast API backend. Our backend then communicates with our image library to process your images, and sends them back to the front end for viewing. Our backend also comes complete with total documentation. Fast API was our choice of backend partially because of the easy documentation methods. Fast API does a lot of the heavy lifting and creates this form of Swagger docs as a fast way to check documentation and ensure correct implementation. Finally, we get to our front end, which has a lot of functionality. On our homepage, you can create your own sequence of images to view and create your own custom color map. Here, I'll select a dark color on the right for my negative values and a lighter yellow for my more positive. I'll then select my index as NDVI, as that's the one that will show me the differences in vegetation. Then, I'll upload my sequence of images and hit upload. Once I've uploaded my images, I need to process them. Each image can be processed individually via their own buttons, but here I'll select Process All to get them going. Now we can see our processed image. You can see we have the ability to zoom and drag around to look at our image in depth, while also having the functionality to change which base image to look at. Here we see the use of the drop-downs and buttons to reprocess our image to SAVI, and boy is it bright! I'll process it once again back to NDVI and download it for future use. Our application has the ability to help users by monitoring vegetation health, assessing areas that are affected by wildfires, and help identify inorganic materials. Thanks for watching.